Now let's create account on Alchemy. Here it is, you can create it here and also using Google. I have already created the account. I am already logged in here, so I have used this previously also, so that's why there are two apps here. So now let's see and follow the step. Okay. First of all, let's need to navigate to alchemy.com, click on login and create a new account, then select the Ethereum ecosystem. Okay, give your application an app and team name, choose the Goerli network and click on create the app. Now let's create it. Create an app. Here it is. Yes. What will is first week. Road to Web3. You can name it anything. I am doing it as suggested, as just shown by Alchemy. Not suggested, it's just remember us that we are learning the Alchemy first week course. So let's select the network Goerli. Here it is. Let's create it. Okay, so here it is, we have created it. Now let's move on. Once you have completed the onboarding process, you will be directed to the dashboard. Click on the application with the name you decided. In the case test, click on the key view button on the tab icon and copy the HTTP URL. Next, you need to add Alchemy to your MetaMask and as a Goerli public provider. If you don't have MetaMask installed, make sure to follow the guide to add it in your browser and create a new wallet. So here it is. If I click on this button, it will show me the URL, API key, and that WebSocket URL. Okay, so I'm not clicking on it. You can see yours by clicking on it. Now let's add Alchemy Goerli to your MetaMask wallet. Once MetaMask will be installed, click on the network drop down menu and add a network. Okay. You can, if you don't have MetaMask, you can install it. If you have MetaMask, then you will see this fox icon here. Here it is. You can download it. Download MetaMask. You can choose any of a browser that you have in order to install MetaMask. Once you have installed it, then you will get this icons, and on clicking on it, you will going to see the different accounts and different networks. So I already have test network and already have some amount in it. That's why it's showing the amount. Otherwise you will see 00 balance. Now let's move on. Now let's add a network. Click on it. Oh, sorry. Click on it and click on add network. Okay, yeah, here you can add a new network. Network name. Close it. Network name is Alchemy Goerli. The URL of Goerli application. The chain ID is 5. Symbol is Goerli Ethereum. And the blockchain explorer is this. Okay, so I will going to this URL as it should be keep secret, so I am not going to show you the URL. I will add it and then come back.